Hey guys, this is Rasalora and welcome to another episode of Meme Review. Oh fuck, Meme Review बोल दिया.
तू डूब के मर जा रे चुल्लू भर पानी में.
पूरा गीला हो गया. ऐसा लगा मूत दिया मैंने. So as I was saying, welcome to another episode of Satai with Kutai with Rasaloran, where we review memes together, whether it's English or Hindi. It doesn't matter, we do both. This week and past week was pretty stressful and tiring, and if I have to sum it up, it's not been easy for me. I have my online classes, assignments to submit, a task to do, and on top of that, to edit vlogs with good and quality editing is a task in itself. And if you see a delay in the videos or like ये upload क्यों नहीं कर रहा है, is he not serious with YouTube? Calm the fuck down, my son. Calm the fuck down. Anyway, we are going to react to the memes of Instagram today, which will be both Hindi and English. So, without any further ado, let's get this thing started. Girls, नहीं बहन, सेम हो जाएगा. फेयरवेल पर रेड साड़ी मैं पहनूंगी. तो सोच कुछ और सोच. Boys, oh my god. Actually, this actually happens, and we sometimes, what happens is that someday coincidentally we wear the same clothes or same color clothes, and we'll be like, gang, and like, oh, handshake, like yeah, shoulder and all that, and we hug each other like, bro, you are my bro. We both like black, red, and like, I don't know why we used to do that, but like, fuck those days, man. I love those days. But schools in India have only one sports class per week, and we expect hundreds of medals in Olympics. That one PT period will be most probably be borrowed by math teacher could complete the portions. This this actually happens, but I don't know if I should laugh on this or cry for this, because this legit happens in every school in India. And whenever the other teacher, whoever takes the PT period to complete her syllabus, we used to curse her so much or give bad words, like for real. And kids don't do that, actually. Honestly, don't do that. कभी कभी लग जाती है पनौती और whatever you say, and it's not good for wanting something bad to happen for someone else, So yeah, see, we spread good things over here too, not only bad things. Alright, let's check this out. Mom, man, you can't do this. Oh my. Oh shit. This man is legit pretending to drive a helicopter, and I really thought for a sec that he is. OMG. And look at him when he's speaking on mic and all this. Yes sir, commander, we are dropping at like location altitude 4423 and all. I legit thought that. And never in a million years thought that would be a chair or a table. I like that. Keep it going. Write 5 words you can spell. 5 words you can spell. Very that's smart actually. I remember something like this even happened in my exam, like when I was small, and it was something like you had to write something or some words or something, and I remember I had searched like from the question paper for 5 minutes, and I wrote all the answers, and it was in the question paper itself. And like it took 5 minutes, but it worked. I got full marks. Those days, वो दिन भी क्या दिन थे. Jiska Chopra uses Indonesian weightlifter pic to congratulate Mirabai Chanu. Sorry if I'm pronouncing it wrong. और लोग तारे जमीन पर मैं दर्शिल को डम समझ रहे थे. Oh my god, did that really happen? Imagining like you are Jiska Chopra and you're getting calls. क्या कर दिया ये? क्या कर दिया? वो इंडोनेशियन. Oh my god, she'll like delete करो, take that down. Her PR team calling her, क्या कर रहे हो आप? Take it down. Oh my god. चीचा, बेटा कुछ पैसे दे दे खाने के लिए. नहीं, सॉरी चीचा, मेरे पास खुले हैं. चीचा. Imagine अगर ये होता है तो you will be like fuck. मेरे पास तो ATM कार्ड भी नहीं है और इसके oh bad. In this happening though, like honestly, you will be like fuck. There's no other way now. Imagining you removing your wallet and you putting in your credit card and you give him in 1 rupee from the Paytm. I mean, your credit card. That would be so like ew. It's like so down class. Like अगर ATM कार्ड निकाले तो 100 रुपये तो देना ही पड़ेगा. Newlyweds Rahul Vedya and Disha Parmar celebrate 1 week of being married. Being married for a week is great achievement for these days. Actually, this is actually true. Amir Khan, if I want to meet her. पर आमिर खान एटलीस्ट 20 साल से उसने किया था. दिस इज लाइक 1 वीक. सर अगर हिम्मत है तो ये मिर्जापुर में आके मेरा ढोल फेंक के दिखाओ. ए मादर चौथ नीचे रख.
Cut. Take 2. Action.
ए कांटा पुलाओ माचो थिंग. I really miss you. The past days tell me. ए भाई actually don't fucking do this. चली जाएगी वो. Trust me when I say this. चली जाएगी वो. She will leave you. Unless if she's a nippy herself. I will kiss my partner for every boundary. 12 boundaries. अरे भाई साहब. If you don't know this image, then you have less knowledge about Bollywood. No idea. Thank God I have less knowledge about Bollywood.
Now look, hindi mo pa naman nakuha to. 1,000 spell. P-E.
P.
Dasan. Ikaw. Ilang taon ka na ba?
Po.
12. Spell. 12.
1, 2.
Hey. Spell 13. 1, 3. I'm genius.
खत्म. टाटा. गुड बाय. गया.
I fucking got caught. I fucking got caught, so I have to pretend like. Hey. Yeah. Oh, I'm not sorry. My brother motivates himself at 12 a.m. by watching Sandeep Maheshwari's videos and then wake up at 12 p.m. I can actually use this trick. You know what I used to do? कि अगर मेरे को नींद नहीं आ रही होती थी ना, I used to open the maths book and used to try to solve the sums immediately. Always works, right? If you hate maths though. Oi, oi, सुनना. Nibbish these days, you know. Nibbish. So if you liked the video and you watched it till here, make sure to smash that subscribe button and like button if you haven't already. I'm out here, guys. I'm really out here with continuous dose of content shooting and editing. And if you're wondering why is there light right now and stuff, I forgot to record the outro. So doing it now. A shout out to the Ghanta page, you know, on Instagram, because I made this video on their memes, you know, so you can check them out and you can follow them if you like it. This is all from my side. This is Russell Oran signing off. I will see you the next time. Peace. And you watched it till here, make sure to smash it. What the fuck? Till here, make sure to smash that subscribe button and like button. रसल तेरे क्या हो गया तेरे को? गर्मी में बैठा तो पागल हो गया क्या? Shit, come on man. You are the biggest YouTuber in the world, biggest YouTuber of the world, not in the world, of the world. What happened is to your grammar. Your grammar sucks, you idiot. Video and watched it. ये क्यों कर रहा हूँ? जॉन सीना हो क्या मैं? पागल क्या कर रहा है? My name is Dean Winchester. My name is Dean Winchester. I'm Aquarius. Hey guys, don't. Me, I'm sorry if I said I need you, but I don't care. I'm not scared of love. Cause when I'm not with you, I'm weaker. Is that so wrong? Is it so wrong that you make me strong? That's a wrap. God.